Hello, so I'm going to be unboxing this big magazine, Star 1 Volume 43, with a BTS on the cover. And I know not the best setup, but this table is directly under the light because the sun is nowhere to be seen right now. So we'll just have to manage. So we have the front set and then the alternative cover of the back. Open it up. Okay, big ad. Ooh. Then we have the contents. Publishing director says a lot of things. Yeah. Bananas on the shoes. What? Banana shoes. That's a lot of red. A lot of red. Get your swag on. Oh, that's awesome. I have a feeling there will be many great pictures here. Oh. Nice. God, my veins is showing on my hand. No, that has anything to do with this. Okay. Could be because I'm leaning forward, you know, or sitting on the floor here. And here's a lot of things by So Need to Learn Korean. Yeah. I can look at that again later. Here we have some beauty products. Yeah. Okay. Now we need to turn the page, or turn the magazine. Oh, so fabulous. That's one page, that's one page. Big magazine, big pictures. And now we're back. Okay. So that was everything. Yay. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.